Okay, let's heat up some water here. 57% efficient gas water heater contains 175 liters of water at 18 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature of the water after it has burned 784 grams, basically, or 0.784 kilograms? Okay. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to use two ideas here. This is not really a formula, but the energy released is the mass times the specific energy, right? Okay, so the energy released by burning this gas is going to be 0.784 kilograms times the specific energy, which is this guy here. So every kilogram holds 55 megajoules of energy. So 55 times 10 to the 6th joules per kilogram. Okay. So let's figure this out. So 0.784 times 55 E6. So this is 4.312 times 10 to the 1, 2, this is not being very helpful, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 10 to the 7th, of course. Okay, so that's the energy released. Now, remember, it's 57% efficient. So what that means is that when you burn this, 57% of that energy turns into the heat that goes into the water. Okay, so I'm using this formula. Efficiency is output over input. Okay, so the output, which is what goes into the water, is the efficiency times the input. It's E-I-E-I-O. Okay, and this is our input, right? So it's going to be 0.57 is our efficiency. Oops, there's an equal sign there. Times 4.312 times 10 to the 7th joules. Okay, so point times 0.57. And that's the energy that goes into the water. So the energy that goes into the water, the Q, is equal to 2.45784 times 10 to the 7th joules. Okay, and then that's going to equal MCAT, right? MC delta T. So that equals, and then 175 liters has a mass of 175 kilograms. And then 4186 is how much it takes, it's joules per kilogram to raise 1 kilogram 1 degree Celsius. It's a lot, right? And then we can figure out the delta T. So we set this equal to this, and we can find our delta T. So take the number on my calculator, divide by 175, divide by 4186. And I get that the temperature change is 33.552 roughly degrees Celsius. And it's going to be that much warmer, right? Because we're adding heat to the water. So it started out at 18 degrees Celsius. So the final temperature is the initial temperature, 18.0 degrees Celsius plus 33.6 degrees Celsius. And that's 51.6, the final temperature equals 51.6 degrees Celsius. Ta-da!